Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest Louis Vuitton bag collection. I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know. Yes, from names, prices, product codes, SKU, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptops, take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so for today's episode, we are going to discuss the Aerogram Collection. That'll be launching August 28, 2025. First, we have the Fastline backpack. Price of this one is 3,700 USD. So guys, the material of the Aerogram collection is made of cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims with fabric lining. So the colorway of this backpack is color black or noir. Next, we have the Speed Messenger, perfect for everyday, for office, for travel. Price of this one is 2,830 USD. So the colorway of this one is navy or dark blue. Material is the same cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims. I love the back pocket. It comes with also a silver hardware and a zipper. So it would come in a color black. So if you feel you wanted a more discreet bag, then get the black version for the same price. Guys, so for the Aerogram collection, it would come with the tonal Louis Vuitton logo at the front of the bag. So this is the back zipper. I really love a back zipper. It's very functional for me, especially for example you are on the go. And then we have KEEPALL size 35. For the price of this one, kindly do stand by. Still part of the Aerogram collection. What I love about the KEEPALL 35 Aerogram, of course, is the colorway. Just look at the interior. It's the same colorway, like a caramel colorway, same as the exterior. Of course, the material is still cowhide leather. Next on the collection, we have pocket organizer. So we have different colorways here. So the price of the pocket organizer is 550 USD. So material is cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims. So guys, so for the storm blue, we have the SKU here. We have forest green, we have tan, and of course we have black or noir. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright guys, so next on the collection, going back to the Fastline backpack. Price is 3,700 USD. So which Fastline backpack do you prefer, guys? So I actually really do love this caramel colorway. So you're going to see the interior is the same colorway as well. So this is the back side. So it is a drawstring for closure with a cover flap at the front. Then we have KEEPALL 35. This one I really love and do adore. But for the price, I will be posting it once it's available. But we have SKU here, so just take a screenshot so you can check the website and your CAs. Material is cowhide leather trims with fabric lining, and of course I love the detachable leather strap that it comes with. And then we have the boarding messenger. Price of this one is 2,710 USD. We have SKU here, so still part of the Aerogram collection. So guys, you are going to notice that one part, like for example the lower left part of the bag, comes with the Louis Vuitton tonal logo. Then of course this one comes with a fully adjustable crossbody strap. It would come in the very beautiful noir colorway, so as you can see here. So this is the boarding messenger, price at 2,710 USD. So this is the interiors. Of course this is the back side. Guys, just kind of take note that the strap is not fully detachable, but you could adjust it for your use. Next guys, super beautiful cabin tote, very minimal. So we have the price of 3,700 USD. So one side at the front part of the bag, so it could come with the Louis Vuitton tonal logo. So the collection guys, again, it's August 28, 2026. Next guys, so we have the Avenue sling bag. So this one price is 2,350 USD. We have SKU here. So material is cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims. Fabric lining, color is navy if I haven't mentioned that. And of course it comes with adjustable canvas strap. Next on the collection, so we do have Avenue sling bag. So this time colorway is black. As you can see, the hardware is black as well. So material is cowhide leather trims, fabric lining. Then of course color is noir or black. Then of course it would come with Louis Vuitton tonal logo at the lower left side, front part of the back bag. Next we have the Discovery backpack. Price of this one is 3,450 USD. Still part of the Aerogram collection. So this is the inside. I also love the tonal zipper that they have used for the collection. Price is 3,450 USD. Perfect for work. Then of course you could use this one for travel. Next guys, I really do love this Gate briefcase. So 3,350 USD. Aerogram collection, materials cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims, fabric lining. Then of course colorway of this one is black. It would come with Louis Vuitton tonal logo at the front of the bag. Next on the collection, so we do have the Discovery backpack. So price of this one is 3,450 USD. So remember guys, so it would come in the black colorway, it would come in the caramel colorway. Now it would come in the navy colorway. So guys, what do you think of the Discovery backpack? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the bag selection that I have showcased for today, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!